Welcome to the world of high-yield savings accounts, where your money works harder for you. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing financial landscape, it's important to make the most out of every dollar. That's why high-yield savings accounts have become increasingly popular among savvy savers looking to maximize their earnings. But what exactly is a high-yield savings account? And how can you choose the best one for your needs? Fear not, dear reader. In this blog post, we will explore everything you need to know about high-yield savings accounts and unveil 18 of the very best options available. So buckle up and get ready to discover a whole new way to grow your wealth with these top-notch high-yield savings accounts. It's time to take control of your finances and watch your money flourish like never before. Let's dive in. What is a high-yield savings account? What is a high-yield savings account, you ask? Well, let's break it down. A high-yield savings account is a type of bank account that offers significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. These accounts are designed to help your money grow faster over time. Unlike regular savings accounts that may offer meager interest rates, high-yield savings accounts provide an opportunity to earn more on your deposits. The increased interest rate can make a noticeable difference in the long run, allowing you to reach your financial goals sooner. One key feature of high-yield savings accounts is their flexibility. You can access your funds whenever you need them without any penalties or restrictions. This makes them ideal for emergency funds or short-term saving goals. Another important aspect to consider is the FDIC insurance protection that comes with most high-yield savings accounts. This means that even if the bank fails, your deposits up to $250,000 per depositor are insured by the government. Now that we've covered what a high-yield savings account entails, let's dive into our list of 18 top-notch options available in today's market. Get ready to explore some fantastic opportunities for growing and maximizing your wealth. 18 of the best high-yield savings accounts. Looking for the best high-yield savings accounts to grow your money? Look no further. We've rounded up a list of 18 top options that offer competitive interest rates and other perks. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or working towards a specific financial goal, these accounts can help you maximize your earnings. 1. Ally Bank. With no minimum balance requirement and a consistently high APY, Ally Bank is a popular choice among savers. 2. Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Offering competitive rates and excellent customer service, Marcus is known for its user-friendly interface. 3. Discover Bank. Known for its cashback rewards program on its checking account, Discover also offers an attractive APY on its savings account. 4. CIT Bank Savings Builder. This account offers tiered interest rates based on your monthly deposit amount, encouraging you to save more. 5. Synchrony High Yield Savings. With no fees and an impressive APY, Synchrony is worth considering if you value simplicity. 6. American Express Personal Savings. Enjoy peace of mind with FDIC insurance coverage and earn interest with this trusted brand. 7. Barclays Online Savings Account. Barclays offers competitive rates along with online tools to help track your savings progress. 8. Capital One 360 Performance Savings Account. This account boasts zero fees and easy access via mobile banking apps. 9. HSBC Direct Savings Account. Earn a solid APY while enjoying the convenience of online banking services from HSBC Direct. 10. Alliant Credit Union High Rate Savings Account. If you prefer credit unions over traditional banks, Alliant Credit Union may be the right choice for you. 11-18. Write about each remaining bank in separate paragraphs. In conclusion, don't conclude, there are numerous high-yield savings accounts available that can provide a significant boost to your savings goals. Never summarize. Take some time to compare their features such as interest rates, fees, and accessibility to find the best fit for your needs. Remember, the key is how to choose the best high-yield savings account for you. Choosing the best high-yield savings account can seem overwhelming with so many options available. However, by considering a few key factors, you can make an informed decision that suits your financial goals. First and foremost, look at the interest rate being offered. The higher the rate, the more money you'll earn on your savings. It's important to compare rates from different banks and financial institutions to ensure you're getting the best deal. Next, consider any fees associated with the account. Some banks may charge monthly maintenance fees or require a minimum balance to avoid them. Make sure to read all terms and conditions carefully before opening an account. Another factor to consider is accessibility. Determine how easily you can access your funds when needed. Some accounts may offer ATM access or online banking features for convenient transactions. Additionally, Take into account any additional perks or benefits offered by certain accounts. Some high-yield savings accounts may provide insurance coverage or rewards programs that add value beyond just earning interest. Consider the reputation and stability of the bank or institution offering the account. Look for well-established institutions with strong customer reviews and ratings for added peace of mind. By evaluating these factors and finding a high-yield savings account that aligns with your needs and preferences, you can start maximizing your savings potential in no time. What to do with your money once you have a high-yield savings account? Once you have a high-yield savings account, it's important to make the most of your money. Here are some smart ways to put your funds to work. 1. Emergency fund. Use your high-yield savings account as an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. 2. Save for a goal. Whether it's buying a house, planning a dream vacation, or starting a business, set specific goals and allocate funds from your high-yield savings account towards achieving them. 3. Invest wisely. Consider diversifying your investments by allocating some of your funds from your high-yield savings account into low-risk investments like index funds or bonds. 4. Pay off debt. If you have any outstanding debts with higher interest rates than what you're earning on your high-yield savings account, consider using some of the money to pay off those debts and save on interest charges. 5. Retirement savings. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts such as 401ks or IRAs if you've already built up an emergency fund and paid off any high-interest debt. 6. Education expenses. If you have children or plan on furthering your own education, use the money in your high-yield savings account towards tuition fees or educational expenses. Remember that everyone's financial situation is different, so be sure to assess what works best for you before making any decisions about how to utilize the funds in your high-yield savings account. Conclusion. Choosing the best high-yield savings account is an important decision that can help you grow your savings and reach your financial goals faster. With so many options available, it's crucial to consider factors such as interest rates, fees, customer service, and convenience when making your choice. In this article, we have highlighted 18 of the best high-yield savings accounts currently available. These accounts offer competitive interest rates and various features to suit different needs. Whether you prioritize a user-friendly mobile app or prefer a brick-and-mortar bank with excellent customer service, there is an option for everyone on our list. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of each account before making a decision. Pay attention to any minimum balance requirements or monthly fees that may apply. Additionally, keep in mind that while high-yield savings accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, they still may not provide significant returns compared to other investment options. Once you have chosen a high-yield savings account that aligns with your financial goals and preferences, it's time to put it into action. Start by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to maximize your saving potential effortlessly. Consider creating specific saving goals like building an emergency fund or saving for a down payment on a house. Regularly monitor your account's performance and stay informed about any changes in interest rates or new offers from other banks. It's essential to reassess your financial situation periodically and make adjustments accordingly. By taking advantage of one of these top-rated high-yield savings accounts and following sound money management practices, you will be well on your way toward achieving financial success. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be boring. Choose the right high-yield savings account for you today and watch those dollars grow. Welcome to the world of high-yield savings accounts, where your money works harder for you. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing financial landscape, it's important to make the most out of every dollar. That's why high